it do, YouTube? This is your girl Marley Mac, coming back with y'all with another little video. And that's on period, and that's on period, and that's on period, guys. That's on period, sis. Alright, today we are going to do the stirs and the sound of silence. But before we jump into this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment below, and subscribe to your girl Marley May coming through. But if y'all have some background noise, that is it. It's raining. It's raining in South Carolina. Ain't that something? No, we had that mixy weather. But anyways, let's get into this video.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people
Y'all hear them vocals?
writing songs and voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you, take my arms and I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, whispered in the sound of silence.
Like, I did not know he was gonna, like, it's like a movie that's starting off and it hasn't got to the adrenaline part where you thinking like, oh my god, what's gonna happen next? And then be like, boom, bam, there it is. That's how that song came, like, boom, bam. His voice had rose up and he was serious. Like, y'all go check out this video. It's called Disturb and the Sound of Silence. But make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to your girl Mommy. And like I said in the last video, guys, comment below if you want me to give y'all a review of this phone. Cause it giving me quality. It's giving me clearness. It's giving me everything.